All right, Shoyoroll sent me some new stuff. I got a new gi for today. I got this competitor gi. Yo, Shoyoroll. Yo, why'd you bury the lead on this competitor gi? Like, I've been wanting this thing my whole life. You're gonna see it today. It's glorious. It's lightweight. It's white. Bet you didn't guess that, huh? It's got sexy pants. It's real talk, real talk. Maybe you don't appreciate it, but I could wear them pants to the beach or something. Double down, you know what I mean? I don't know if I got time. It's got good pants. And Shoyoroll got good gi pants. But that kimono jacket, when I put it on, which I haven't yet, but I'm gonna in a little bit. You'll see that video too. It's gonna be like, You ever get that? Like, That's what I'm talking about today.